Welcome to Vimox Digital Media YouTube channel. In our first class, let's discuss about Introduction to Digital Marketing. In this channel, we learn digital marketing in simple and practical way. This is especially for students, housewives, job seekers, business owners, and the one with career gaps. Now, what is digital marketing? Digital marketing is online marketing where you promote your products and sell them through online services. Now, let me explain. When you promote your products on different platforms like YouTube, Insta, FB, websites, Google, etc., in the form of sponsored ads, this type of marketing is called as digital marketing. For example, if you want to sell your products through Instagram, then you promote your product through sponsored ad. This is called digital marketing. Now, where can we use this digital marketing? It is used on platforms like Google Search, YouTube, and social media platforms. What are the types of digital marketing? There are quite different types of digital marketing. Let me explain in simple terms. Search engine optimization. By doing search engine optimization, we can make the website to appear on Google search with particular keyword without paying for ads. It takes time, but definitely worth it. Next, social media marketing. In this type of marketing, you promote your content or products on social media platforms like FB, Insta, Twitter, LinkedIn, etc. Next, YouTube marketing. In this type of marketing, we promote your products or brand and grow your channel, which is very useful for your business growth. Paid ads. In this type of marketing, it is meant to run sponsored ads on Google and social media platforms for your products. Next, affiliate marketing. In this, you promote others' products and earn commission. For example, you join in various affiliate marketing programs, sell the products on different e-commerce platforms, and earn the commission. So this is the brief explanation on types of digital marketing. Now, what are the uses of digital marketing and who can learn digital marketing? As we discussed, it is for students, job seekers, housewives with the career gaps, and small business owners, those who are looking for branding and their company growth. In digital marketing, no technical or coding background is needed. In the next video, we'll learn types of digital marketing in detail and give you complete beginner roadmap. So, if you want to learn or earn online and build a career through digital marketing, then subscribe to the channel and turn on notification bell. Thank you.